Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the headphone jack port on the iPad Pro 12.9 first generation tablet. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. The most important part of the iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. Make sure to heat the front side of the iPad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. This process will take time and be gentle. Next, while pulling, be gentle. Flex cables are attached to the logic board. Once the separation is done, gently lift the screen from the top to about 45 degrees. Make sure the device is lying on the table. Next, undo 3 screws and then take out the connector bracket. Next, disconnect both LCD and touchscreen connector plugs. Now, can free the screen from the body. Next, ensure the frame edges are free from broken pieces and also with unwanted adhesive strips. Next, take out the logic board bracket by undoing 9 screws. Gently undo the bracket clips. Next, disconnect the connector plug and gently pry the cable to release the port from the body. Before pulling out, undo the screw on the port. It is hidden under the adhesive. Next, place and secure the new headphone jack port on the body. Secure the port by adding the screw. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 9 screws. Next, install the screen to the body. First, lay the iPad's body on the table. Next, insert the screen from the bottom and keep it at a 45-degree angle. Next, connect both connector plugs to the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, add LCD adhesive or glue to the frame. Here we are using B7000 glue on the frame edges. Next, clamp the screen to the frame. First, insert the bottom part, and then follow to the top. And then simultaneously click sides. Be gentle in this process. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the LCD screen with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.